Okay, let's unpack this. We've been looking into this product, SmileFitPro Dentures. It's being sold as this innovative and affordable dental solution.
And what's really fascinating is the scale. Our sources show the exact same product, like the same ads, same photos, everything is being sold on maybe 50 different websites.
50? Wow.
Yeah, and the price is all over the place, anywhere from $20 to $80 for the same item.
So our mission today is to figure out how they're making this product seem so legitimate across this huge online footprint. And just a quick note before we jump in. This is purely educational commentary. We're looking at marketing claims and consumer transparency. This is not medical advice.
Definitely not. So let's start with their claims of authority. A really big one is that SmileFit Pro won the 2024 Gold Edison Award.
Right, a huge stamp of approval. So I went through the official Edison database. And, well, SmileFit Pro is nowhere in there.
Oh, but it gets better. They didn't just make it up out of thin air. A completely different product, something called Easy Denture, actually did win that award.
What, back in 2020, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they've essentially just plagiarized a real achievement from a similar product. It's a classic case of borrowed legitimacy.
And that tactic doesn't stop with awards. They also use the photo and name of a real dentist from Dallas.
Dr. Jeffrey V. Jones,
Yeah.
a real professional who's been practicing for decades.
So we did the transparency check. We reached out. His office confirmed they have zero partnership with SmileFit Pro. They never gave any authorization to use his name or his photo.
So we have a pattern here. Stolen credentials, unauthorized endorsements. But now for the biggest claim of all. They say it's FDA approved.
Okay, that sounds official. What does that actually mean for something like this?
Well, that's the thing. The FDA doesn't really grant approval for these kinds of temporary dental materials in the way their marketing implies. We searched the public database for SmileFit Pro and all its other names.
Man.
Came up completely blank. Zero entries.
So if it doesn't have the FDA stamp and its whole backstory is borrowed, what is this thing, actually?
It's a mass-produced thermal fitting material. You might know it as boil and bite plastic.
Yeah. So it's a real material.
Oh, absolutely. It has a legitimate temporary use, like say as a placeholder while you're waiting for actual custom-fit dentures to be made.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though, because it's being marketed as a permanent daily solution. What do professionals say about using this stuff every single day?
The general assessment is that these materials, if you use them daily, might only be effective for very brief periods, maybe 30 minutes at a time. And the marketing claims you can remold it up to 20 times.
And I imagine that much handling and use would cause some issues, right? The material would start to break down.
It might, yes. Repeated use and remolding could cause the material to degrade, and that may create rough or sharp edges. In fact, we found reports from dental professionals, including a dentist in Singapore, who noted cases where the product got stuck.
Stuck in someone's mouth.
Yes, and that could lead to localized tissue irritation or, issues from bacterial buildup, since it's not a custom fit.
So if we connect this to the bigger picture.
The key takeaway is this huge gap between the marketing and the reality. They build this sophisticated story with awards, doctors, FDA status.
But none of it actually belongs to their product.
Exactly. They're selling a temporary, mass-produced item using a carefully constructed but ultimately fabricated backstory.
Which leaves you with a final thought to chew on. When you see a product online that has all the credentials, the awards, the expert endorsements, the regulatory stamps, what's your immediate checklist for figuring out if those things are real or just part of a cleverly fabricated story? Keep questioning the source.